Because you all are selling empty promises / dreams. This sentence tells more about you than me. Why can't I tell you people about the experience I've witnessed it on my own and I see it for the others? Why can't I be recommended to you? Sure, there is a lot of scammers out there and you should be careful, but you also need to do your research because not everything online is a scam. And when I tell you that you could be making 5 figures a month, even a week, you don't believe me. But that's because of your limitation. And I'm not telling you this is a bad thing. I had it myself. This is quite normal. But it can be fixed. Let me show you. Please read this book. It's a Rich Dad, Poor Dad from Robert Kiyosaki, and it's a financial Bible. It will open your eyes and you will never be the same after that, but in a positive way. And if you don't trust me, that's okay. I'm not mad. You won't be hurting my feelings. Find someone who you do trust, but even they can't help you if you don't change your mindset. Hence the book, and hence see the story I posted today. And these empty promises and dreams are available for you as well as for others. It worked for others. Why can't it work for you? There's no reason. And I'm not saying it's easy, but it's simple. 2 things you will need if you want to succeed in digital world: knowledge and mindset. And if you work on these 2 things, you can't be not successful. And I'm here to help you people, not scam you. I want to feel better, not worse. But like I said, if I'm not your cup of tea, that's okay. Go to someone else, ask a question, let them explain how this works, how you can get those results. Because no matter if you say to yourself you can or you can't, you're right. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Peace.